Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on AI chatbot. Nova, we click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search for Nova app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. And you will move to clear cache and you will click on clear cache. After that, you will click on Play Store. You will search for an AI chatbot Nova. And here you will click on this sign to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next